This Bosch 18-volt 5-inch angle grinder delivers a 4-brush motor design and optimized gear assembly. It provides a 0 to 10,000 no-load RPM to perform professional cutting and grinding applications. The grinder provides a 2-position vibration control side handle for better handling and less operator fatigue. This tool was designed for electricians, plumbers, and other trades professionals who need heavy-duty portable power. It is designed for long tool life. With Bosch's electronic cell protection and electronic motor protection, optimized brush design for user protection. This cordless grinder was engineered with a toolless quick change, burst-resistant wheel guard, and restart protection to avoid accidental startup. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Secure operation. The Bosch provides restart protection to prevent startup if a power switch is locked on during battery insertion. With a toolless quick change, burst-resistant wheel guard, the grinder provides convenient securing. It also has a large spindle lock that allows for easier change out of wheels and discs. Number 2. Long tool life. This 18-volt cordless grinder boasts best-in-class runtime, with an outstanding abrasion rate per battery charge. It also uses Bosch's electronic cell protection and electronic motor protection for 2x lifetime. The brush design on the helps to create a long motor life without having to change brushes. Number 3. 4-brush motor muscle. The Bosch 18-volt 5-inch angle grinder delivers outstanding grinding performance thanks to its 4-brush motor design. So users now have a cordless tool that doesn't forego capacity in favor of portability. The grinder delivers outstanding cutting, with a 0 to 10,000 no-load RPM, and with the Bosch 18-volt system, it can handle demanding jobs anyplace, all day. Number 4. Control and comfort. This power tool features a 2-position vibration control side handle, which provides greater control than the predecessor model. It also makes the grinder less fatiguing for the user to operate, which can deliver smoother grinding. The side handle can switch from left to right for additional control. The grinder's ergonomic design provides additional user comfort, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.